Today's classic cocktail that we're going to be doing today for you is the Sidecar. So the Sidecar is composed of three ingredients: cognac, orange liqueur, which we're going to be using as Grand Marnier, and fresh lemon juice. But then we have one little bit of a twist. Our glass today, our Martini glass, gets a sugar rum. So we have our sugar here for you. We have our lemons that we're going to use to make the sugar rum. So we're going to go ahead and make this drink. I'm going to give you all the ingredients, the measurements, and the technique. Alright, so first what we're going to use our Hennessey. It's our main component. So we're going to use that first. We have 1.5 ounces of Hennessey, or the cognac. We'll pour that in here. Then we'll do 0.75 ounces of the Grand Marnier, 3/4 of an ounce. And then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Well, this lemon juice is nice and fresh. I just squeezed this today. Alright, I'll have that set for you. Now, what you want to do before you add the ice, so you don't water down your drink, you're going to rim your glass before you add the ice and shake this up. So we'll take our glass. We have our lemon wedge that we've already sliced. We'll take our lemon wedge and we'll just run it along that glass, just like so. After we do that, we'll take it, put it in the sugar, run it along the sugar. Oh yeah, get that, a lot of sugar on there, nice amount of sugar. My wife likes sugar on her drinks. Oh, we got a big sugar rim today for her. Alright, now we're ready to add our ice. We're going to add our ice into our mixing glass. Once you add your ice to your mixing glass, you're going to make a seal. How you make the seal is you put these two mixing cups together, and once you put those together, I'm going to show you a trick to make the good seal. So you put those together, you take the back, and you just give it a little hit. Delicious. Now when you shake that up, you want to shake it a good 10 to 15 seconds. You want to get all those flavors melded together, the ingredients together. But most of all, you want to melt that ice, crack that ice, get this drink nice and cold. Oh, perfect pour. And our Hennessey Sidecar is garnished with a lemon swirl. So we take this, just spin it around. Hang that on the edge of the glass, and voila. Cheers. Hennessey Sidecar.